Hi, this is Michael Schmela, Managing Director from TaiyangNews. Greetings from Solar Technology Conference 2026 in India. I'm here with Jerry Liao, Chief Technology Officer of Leadmicro, a leading player in the industry when it comes to technology solution, production equipment for solar cells. Jerry, wonderful that you could make it to our event here in Delhi. So could you just let us know how you feel about that event?
Okay, sure. Thanks to Michael, first of all. Thank you, TaiyangNews, for providing this very nice platform. Actually, this is the largest conference I have ever seen in India. This is a very important, and I'm also very excited because this conference really gives people a platform to really interact face-to-face instead of every time we are having the online meetings. And it's very, very important to really meet the customer and to know the real needs. And this platform really gives us these opportunities. And we can see a very large turnout for this conference. And congratulations for a very successful conference in India. Thank you.
Thanks, Jerry. And wonderful you could join and contribute.
Yeah, I'm very excited. Thank you. Yeah.
Okay, good.